Welcome back to Mass Guitar Fret. My name is Jörg. Wow. Up. Yeah, the magic of sound. Huh? This lesson series is aimed at beginners and guitarists that have ignored music theory for some reason or another. I want to provide you with some simple tools and knowledge to help you understand the theory behind what you try to achieve on your guitar. I'm going to make this as easy for you as I can, and the reward will be immediate. You will be able to apply this knowledge to your current guitar journey. I will teach you the absolute basics you need to know to connect the dots. Who knows, maybe you're going to be intrigued and you're going to study the subject matter even further. Let me just tell you this, theory is your friend, right? A little bit goes a long way. Okay, let me tell you what I'm going to teach you in this lesson. The musical alphabet consists of 7 letters, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. I'm going to demonstrate that on the piano keys, and for now, you can ignore the black ones. I will explain those later. Unlike the alphabet, the musical alphabet starts at C and then goes D, E, F, G, A, B, C. There are 12 notes in this alphabet, and that's where the black keys come into play, the sharps and the flats. The white keys on the piano are the natural notes. The black keys are the sharps and flats. They are between the natural notes. You notice that the black keys have 2 letters. I will explain that in lesson 2. So together this makes up the 12th note chromatic scale. When we play through the scale from C to C, then we call that an octave. Each note in the chromatic scale represents a semitone. Intervals are the distance between semitones. Intervals are the building blocks of scales and chords. If we play C and then go to C sharp, we move up 1 semitone or half a step. If we play C, then go to D, we move up 2 semitones or a whole step. The thing to take away from lesson 1 is that when we move around in the chromatic scale, that 1 interval equals 1 semitone or half a step, and 2 intervals equals 2 semitones or a whole step. This concept is used to build musical scales, and we will focus on that in the next lesson. Let's check out the chromatic scale on the guitar. On the piano, you have learned that 1 semitone down from B comes C. No sharps or flats in between. Let's take the B string and move down to 1st fret, that is C. Each fret represents a semitone or a half step on the guitar. Here are all the C notes on the fretboard from fret 1 to 14. So this is your chance to practice the chromatic scale either on the B string, where we just showed you, or on any other C note there.